Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn off replies on Instagram stories in 2024. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to Instagram. After that go to our account and here need to click on this button and click settings and privacy. After that you need to scroll down and click messages and story replies. Here click story replies and choose don't allow story replies or allow replies from followers that you follow back. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.